Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about pH scale. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. The P in pH stands for Potenz. In German, Potenz is power. pH value of a solution is simply a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. The pH of neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents a decrease in H3O plus ion concentration or an increase in OH minus ion concentration in the solution. pH value of a solution above 7 represents a basic solution. Observe the following figure. It shows variation of pH with the change in concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions. Now, let us test the acidic or basic nature of the solutions given in this table with pH paper. We already know that pH scale having 14 different colors with 0 to 14 numbers. From 0 to 7, it represents as an acid. From 7 to 14, it represents as a base. And for 7, it represents as a neutral solution. Let us take first HCl, that means hydrochloric acid. As per the change in the color of pH paper with hydrochloric acid, we understand that it is an acid and the pH value of this hydrochloric acid is nearly 2. Now let us take CH3COOH, that means acetic acid. As per the change in the color of pH paper with acetic acid, we understand that it is an acid and the pH value of this acetic acid is in between 2 to 5. In general, the pH value of acetic acid is in between 2.4 to 4.8. Now let us take CH3COONA, that means soap water. As per the change in the color of pH paper with soap water, we understand that it is a base and the pH value of this soap water is nearly 12. Now let us take NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate, that means it is a cooking soda. As per the change in the color of pH paper with cooking soda, we understand that it is a base. The pH value of this cooking soda is in between 8 and 9. Now let us take NaOH, that means sodium hydroxide. As per the change in the color of pH paper with sodium hydroxide, we understand that it is a base and the pH value of this sodium hydroxide is 13 or 14. Now let us take rainwater. As per the change in the color of pH paper with rainwater, we can observe that there is no change in the color of the pH paper. That means it may neutral. But in general, rainwater having the pH value from 5.6 to 7. If the pH value of rainwater is less than 5.6, then such type of rains are called acid rains. The ecological effects of acid rain are most clearly seen in aquatic environments such as streams, lakes, and marshes, where it can be harmful to fish and other wildlife. Now let us take lemon juice. As per the change in the color of pH paper with lemon juice, we understand that it is an acid and the pH value of this lemon juice is nearly 2. Now let us take coffee. As per the change in the color of pH paper with this coffee, we understand that it is an acid. The pH value of this coffee is nearly 5. In general, the pH value of coffee is in between 4.3 to 5. If we take raw coffee, that means there is no milk in the coffee, it also shows the pH value is nearly 5. Now let us take tomato juice. As per the change in the color of pH paper with tomato juice, we understand that it is an acid. The pH value of this tomato juice is nearly 5. In general, the pH value of this tomato juice is in between 4 to 4.7. Now let us take tap water. As we can see, there is no change in the color of pH paper with tap water. That means the tap water may be a neutral solution. But in general, the pH value of tap water is in between 6.5 to 8.5. Now let us take banana. As per the change in the color of pH paper with this banana juice, we understand that it is an acid. The pH value of this banana is nearly 5. But in general, the pH value of banana is in between 4.5 to 4.7. Now let us take milk. As per the change in the color of pH paper with this milk, we understand that it has an acidic nature. The pH value of this milk is nearly 6. If the pH value of this milk will decreases from 6, that means the acidic nature of this milk will increases, there is a chance to spoil this milk. So to avoid this, a milkman add few amount of baking soda, that means cooking soda, to this milk. Finally, let us take an orange. As per the change in the color of pH paper with this orange juice, we understand that it is an acid. The pH value of this orange juice is nearly 4. In general, the pH value of orange juice is 3.5. Do you know? To avoid negative powers of H plus concentration in dilute acid and base solutions, Sorensen introduced the concept of pH. Due to this pH concept may be restricted for solutions of H plus ions less than 1 molar. The pH scale is from 0 to 14. The pH is an indication of concentration of H plus ions. Now let us look at the scale. There are so many solutions having their different pH values. By the end of this video, I hope you have a clear-cut idea on pH of different solutions.